Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type and having proof of ownership. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, place the locker on a stable surface and shine a light to inspect the shackle, dial, or keypad. Make sure to remove any debris and note visible numbers or markings. Next, for a mechanical combination padlock, rotate the dial to clear previous movements. For keyed locks, verify key fit. Now begin the first reset or opening action relevant to your lock type. You now perform the detailed sequence to set or change the code. For a dial lock, make 3 precise passes as required. Remember, direction matters, so count rotations slowly to land on each number. For a padlock with a reset tab, open the shackle, move the tab, choose digits, and return the tab before closing. This seals the new code. For an electronic locker, navigate the menu, verify current code, input the new code twice, and confirm save. Keep your movements deliberate to avoid mistakes. You finish by thoroughly testing the lock. Enter the new code 3 times and cycle the shackle or latch to confirm reliable operation. Once satisfied, note the code in a secure place or use a password manager. Do not label the locker with the code. If the lock sticks or won't register digits, apply graphite lubricant sparingly and retry. Oil will gum it up. If problems persist or you lack authority, stop and contact the facility manager or a licensed locksmith to avoid damaging the mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.